2022 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8, sexy blue. I like that color. Oh, that's a new color from Chevy, I guess. Oh, interesting. It's cool. Anyways, factory converter. Cool. We can true dual these. So if you have a 22, bring it in. We can true dual it for you guys. It's only got a Y pipe, no more third cat, which is awesome. Anyways, flex pipe, 3-inch pipe, FLOWMASTER Outlaw, part number 15430. There'll be a link in the description. There's a part number on it, guys. Anytime you have to do this, you have to add a piece of pipe, 3-inch, because the muffler is so big on it. Then 3-inch tailpipe, and this is Chevy's way of resonators. There, in there. So he kept that on for now. See how he likes the sound. We might take the resonator off later on. And then he's got a nice 5-inch black angle cut tip out the back right there, as you guys can see. Came out really nice, really clean. There's the stock muffler that was on it that we cut off. And you always want to cut this valve off, because if you don't, it will rattle, because it's too much pressure, because the muffler creates back pressure. That's why they put that valve. But once you take it off, the muffler, you have to take that valve off. All right, guys, remember that. And it is an RST 5.3 liter. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee. Music City, USA. Much better. Nothing beats a V8, man. That's a good sounding truck right there. Especially with that. Here's sound decibels. Again. One more. 107, bro. That's not bad. Sounds really nice. 108. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 5.3 with FLOWMASTER Outlaw, stock resonators. Yeah, I like it. Enjoy, guys.